Om Swastiastu, I'm Putu Ananda Savitri with my student number 22151057. Here I was explaining about IEEE 802.3 standard evolution of wire transmission medium technology. The first one we have IEEE 802.3 Ethernet in general, where it's actually original Ethernet standard that introduced in 1980s that use a quasical cable as a transmission medium. It actually only support data rates of 10 megabits per second and utilize a bus topology where multiple devices share same cable. The next stop we have Fast Ethernet, which is 802.3U, where it is a higher network speed prompt in development of Fast Ethernet standard that introduced by 100 base TX and 100 base FX technologies. The supporting rates 100 Mbps, which is 10 times faster than the original Ethernet. Next we have 802.3Z, which is a gigabit Ethernet. It's an exponential growth data-intense application that introduced to meet the escalating demand for network bandwidth that is standard defined to 1000 base SX and 1000 base LX technologies, which use multi-mode and single-mode fiber optics cable respectively to achieve data rates of 1 gigabit per second or Gbps. And then lastly we have 802.3A E 10 gigabit Ethernet, which is beyond gigabit Ethernet that continue to evolve, introducing even faster Ethernet variant that support data rates of 10 gigabit per second, 40 gigabit Ethernet, and 100 gigabit Ethernet. Here are some of the key features and advancement over time. The first one carries multiple access with collision detection. That is fundamental protocol used by Ethernet network to handle collision. Higher data transmission, which is support higher data transmission rates from the original 10 Mbps. Advancement has been made to achieve faster speed. Evolution of physical data that have already embraced various physical media for data transmission, including classical cable, twist-pair coupled cables, and fiber optic cables. Full duplex operation, which is the future introduction in later version of Ethernet that allows simultaneous bidirectional communication between the device. Jumbo frame allow for larger frame size compared to the traditional maximum frame size of 1500 bytes. Energy efficiency that reduce power consumption during a period of low network activity. And then backward compatibility that ensuring the device supporting newer Ethernet standard can still communicate with older device. And then we have the application and the benefit. The first one, increased bandwidth, allowing the faster and more efficient data transmission. Improve reliability, advance the transmission medium over enhanced noise resistance, reducing the risk of data corruption and signal degradation. Compatibility and interoperability, allowing new technology to coexist with the older one. And then scalability and future proofing, ensuring that the Ethernet network can scale to meet evolving requirements. So in conclusion, the exploration of wire transmission medium technology within the IEEE 802.3 standard has revolutionized Ethernet network. So that's all that I can explain from the wire transmission medium technology that based on the IEEE 802.3 standard, which is 802.3 for Ethernet in general, 802.3U for Fast Ethernet, 802.3Z for Gigabit Ethernet, and 802.3A E for 10 Gigabit Ethernet. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention, and Om Santi 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 Om. Have a nice day.